Friends, today's topic is class 10 chapter 4 English question answer. Let's start. Question number first. Was Annie right when she said that the world would not be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old girl? Answer. Yes, Annie was right in saying so because people are generally interested in reading about great men. They may not be interested in a teenager's thoughts. Question number 2. There are some examples of diary or general entries in the before you read section. Compare these with what Annie writes in her diary. What language was the diary originally written in? In what way is Annie diary different? Answer. First point. Annie's the diary was originally written in Dutch language. Second point. Any diary is a different one. It is in the form of a letter. It has the features of a journal, also describes feelings and thoughts. Question number 3. Why does Annie need to give a brief sketch about the family? Does she treat Kitty as an insider or an outsider? Answer. Annie needs to give a brief sketch about her family because she thinks that no one can understand a word of her stories to Kitty without it. She treats Kitty as an insider. She treats Kitty as a close friend and conflicts in her Kitty to get all kinds of things off her chest. Question number 4. How does Annie feel about her father, her grandfather, Mr. Kupris and Mr. Kissing? What do these tell you about her? Answer. Annie feels that her father was the most adorable one. Her grandfather was affectionate. Mr. Kupras was attached to her and Mr. Kissing was an old fozy. These tell us about her that she was affectionate, intelligent and a chatterbox. Question number 5. What does Annie write in her first essay? Answer. In her first essay, Annie writes that talking is a student's trait. She would try to control it, but she can't as it is an inherited trait she got from her mother. Thus, the arguments were convincing and proved the necessity of talking. Question number 6. Annie Shaw's teachers are most unpredictable. It's missing causing unpredictable joy. Answer. Yes, Mr. Kissing is unpredictable. A teacher never plays jacks on students, but Mr. Kissing does so. Finally, the subject matter of the versified essay should have made him angry, but he read it and added his comments. He allowed Annie to talk in the class. Question number 7. What do these statements tell you about Annie Frank as a person? First question. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's problem. Maybe it is my fault that we don't conflict in each other. Answer. Annie doesn't have any real friend. 7th का ही second question. I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would, but I want the diary to be my friend. Answer. Annie has an intelligent and creative mind. Treating her diary as a friend, she wants to write it is an advanced way. Third point. Margot went to Holland in December and I follow it down on the table as a birthday present for Margot. Answer. Annie here conveys information is a humorous way. Fourth question. If you ask me, there are so many dummies that about a quarter of the class should be kept back, but teachers are the most unpredictable creators on earth. Answer. Annie is observant, intelligent and self-appointed person. Question 5. Anyone could remember long and love big spaces between the words, but the trick was to come up with convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. Answer. Annie was thoughtful and creative. Thank you, students.